Welcome back. I want to tell you about a trend I'm seeing that's extremely important and also going to probably save you thousands of dollars if it's something that you have access to. So the last three employee benefit plans that I've reviewed, this includes Microsoft, Callaway, and now Indeed, have all introduced a legal benefit where they're actually going to be helping to pay or tap you into a network that's going to help you pay for the costs associated with your legal bills. This is brand new. I haven't seen these before this year, and it's now a trend that I'm seeing pop up over and over again. So as you're going through open enrollment, make sure you don't just think, hey, it's exactly what happened as last year. Take a look through the notes. They're typically at the bottom now because it's obviously not a featured benefit, but it is one of these new additions. What exactly does it mean? Well, across the board, I'm seeing an option to help you with your estate planning needs. And this is absolutely critical. I think more so now, given what's going on with COVID and people realizing how uncomfortable and uncertain they feel about their financial affairs and wanting to make sure that they and their loved ones are protected. So this is an amazing benefit that these companies are offering. And how it looks typically is they're plugging you into a network where, again, your costs are either going to be covered or help to be offset. Whereas if you're working with an attorney within that network, they can draft the documents and help you with these different features. These are things like power of attorney, your wills, your guardianship, HIPAA authorization, your living will, and as well as your healthcare proxy. You know, across the board, all of the important major estate planning documents. Some are even offering the opportunity to create a trust and help with the cost there. So this is a huge win for anyone that has access to these benefits. Unfortunately, not everyone is going to, right? Maybe you don't work at a company that's offering them, or maybe you don't even work at a company, you're self-employed, but you still want this type of protection. So a couple other tips for you. I'm based here in San Diego. We have a great firm called Trust and Will that's really driving a lot of, pioneering a lot of endeavors in this space where they're making this process more affordable, leveraging technology, which is great. So you can check them out as a cost-effective option, especially for your basic needs. And if you have a more complex situation and you really could utilize the ability of an attorney, feel free to reach out to us, especially if you're here local in San Diego. We have some great recommendations my clients have been very happy with. I'd be happy to introduce you to. So we don't do any estate plan, drafting or legal docs, but that is a big part of our financial planning process. And we do have attorneys that we could certainly introduce to if that's a need that you have. So don't overlook this. It's incredibly powerful. I mean, you could be saving thousands and thousands of dollars. The attorneys can be expensive. They're, you're paying for really high quality professional expertise. So being able to tap into this benefit can be really cost effective and extremely beneficial. As always, if you found this helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button. It definitely helps us grow the audience, get more people to be able to see important information like this. And if you're interested in these types of things, of ideas and ways to control your finances, go ahead and subscribe and get a lot more videos to come. As always, appreciate you checking this out, and we'll talk again soon.